384.62. Pero makikita natin ngayon, it's 390.39. So, minus lang natin, 390.
Hi guys, Tony here, and this is actually an update video about the Gcash app. Hi guys, Tony here, and I am here to teach you everything you need to know about money. Money hacks, money tricks, tips, investing, saving, lahat ng alam ko ituturo ko sa inyo. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button and yung doorbell sign dyan para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. If you have missed the first video about the Gcash app, it's just right here. I'll link it here and dito sa baba. I know I've said in my last video that I'll be doing a Facebook marketing tutorial, pero let's just move away from the series first kasi ang dami nagre-request and nagtatanong about my Gcash investment. So, let's get started with it today. Para hindi magiging boring tong video na to, we'll just alternate questions and then update and a little bit of a tutorial kasi may nag-ask about a tutorial on how to do the app. So, let's do an alternate. Before we get started, again, I would like first to thank everyone who have liked and subscribed to my YouTube page. I'm very, very grateful for all the comments and feedbacks. It just inspires me to create more videos for you guys. As of the moment, we are at 658 subscribers. Again, if we reach 1,000 subscribers, magbibigay po ako ng special gifts from our friends. Secret po muna po ang mga gifts, but I have a lot lined up. So, let's reach 1,000. First question is from James Santiago and Mark Katampatan. They both have the same question. Paano palitan yung risk profile from conservative to aggressive? Unfortunately, you can't change your risk profile. Kung ano man yung nalagay mo, yun na po yun. Pero regardless of your risk profile, you can still subscribe to future types of investments. But magbibigay na lang sila ng parang conforming or you have to fill out something just to be sure that you are agreeing to their terms. Okay? Michael Uy said, relative kita. Actually, wala po akong relative, I think, na Michael Uy. Flor Delisa Asok asked, pwede po ba yung money ko mawawala pag nag-down yung market? Yes. There is a saying na what goes up must come down and what goes down must come up. Hindi naman po pwedeng laging pataas lang yung market. Pag laging pataas yung market, it will go down sometime. Don't panic. It's just the market doing a correction. With investing kasi, syempre i-consider niyo po yung pagtaas din ng peso or yung value ng peso. So, let's say, a few years back, ang worth ng isang jeepney ride is a minimum of 5 pesos. Right now, it's 9 pesos. If I invest today worth 50 pesos, ang worth ng isang unit today is around 50 pesos. In a few years, after a few years, maybe 1 to 2 years time, who knows, baka maging 55, 56 pesos per unit. So if you think about it, tumataas din yung value ng money mo. In a few years time, if you cash it out, since 56 pesos na per unit yung worth nun, kung ilang unit man meron ka ngayon, yung 50 pesos mo, naging 56 na. Diba? Mig Zakari is asking for an update video of my investment. If you missed the video, again, it's here and down here. Let's do an update video now.
Let's try to see the update from my Gcash investment money. Let's click invest money again. And so far, we have 390.39. Magkano na nga ba ang tinubo ko for the past, I don't know, almost 6 months na ata, right? Let's just compute real quick. Add natin lahat ng in-invest ko. So that's... Kung tinanggal na natin lahat ng winidraw ko, dapat ang pera ko ay 384.62 lang. So, ang total na ininvest ko so far is 384.62. Pero makikita natin ngayon, it's 390.39. So, minus lang natin, 390.39 minus 384.62. Kumita na po ako ng 5 piso for the past months. Again, maliit lang po kasi yung ininvest ko from the start pa lang, mga 100, 100, 100. Because I was just trying this out. Since maliit yung ininvest ko, maliit din yung return sa akin. Pero if you started off big, malamang sa malamang, malaki na din yung bumalik po sa inyo.
I got a good question here from Romary Pabunan. Ang tanong niya is, once I enrolled in their investment program, do they diversify my investment? Like put it in different stocks? Thank you for that question. It's actually a good question. Ang role ni Atram sa Gcash is, if you can see, is Atram Money Market Fund. What is a market fund? A market fund is a parang mutual funds. So, para ka nag-invest in mutual funds. Using this investment structure ni Gcash and Atram. Hindi ko lang siya makita here sa comment section, but someone asked, how do we cash out? Right now, I'll show you how to cash out all of your investment from the investment to your wallet, to your bank account or to your wallet.
All you have to do para ma-cash out is you click on the View Investment Products, View Details, tapos kung makikita nyo sa baba, merong Subscribe or Redeem. Let's click on Redeem, and then kukuha ako ng 50 pesos. Let's click Next. And then, agree lang po tayo. And then, merong magte-text po sa inyo and mag-i-email kung nakasubscribe kayo sa email nila. We have to switch cameras kasi hindi nag-record. Nag-block yung recording ko sa iPhone. I think because it's very personal for them. Kung umaga kayo nag-subscribe, malamang mabilis ang balik sa inyo. Magre-reflect siya agad sa Gcash nyo. Pero kung hindi kayo nag-cash out or nag-redeem during business hours, there might be some delay. Magre-reflect siya dito sa homepage. And then, kung pumunta na sa main Gcash account nyo yung niredeem yung investment money, there are 2 ways on how you can cash out your money. First is send money. You click this and then send to bank account. Tapos, ilalagay mo yung bank account mo. Okay? Yung details mo dito sa My Save Bank Accounts. Or, the easier way, click bank transfer. And then, yan, ilagay mo yung bank account mo. Sige, ito try natin. Let's click bank transfer. And then, bank account. Let's put in my name. Aantayin na lang natin siya mag-reflect sa bank account natin. I'll screen record kapag pumasok na. It might take a few days bago mag-reflect sa bank account mo. Ito yung proof na pumasok na sa account ko yung winidraw kong amount. Okay? Next option is you go to show more and then makikita mo sa fund management may cash out button and yan, makikita mo yung different ways on how you can cash out. So, kung may malapit na Villarica, Tambuting, Palawan, SM, Robinsons, pwede ka mag-cash out through there. Also, may nirelease si Gcash na bagong parang Gcash Mastercard. Ayan, sa taas nakasulat. You have to pay 150 pesos for it. Pero, the good thing about this is, mawi-withdraw mo siya within any ATM machine. So, at your convenience, kung ayaw mo siyang itago sa app, you can at least save it to your Gcash card. Since card siya, pwede mo siyang pambayad sa mga pang-grocery mo, pang-kain mo, or pang-online shopping mo. ATM withdrawal, order online. Paano mo nga ba makukuha tong Gcash card mo? You go to ATM withdrawal, you click order online here sa for delivery, and then, Gcash Mastercard Store, order your Gcash, nandiyan po lahat ng instructions, and i-deliver na nila sa bahay mo yung Gcash card for 150 pesos. Basically, that's about it. Thank you again for commenting, for asking questions. I'll be happy to answer them. If you have more questions or
comments or shout outs, please let me know down in the comments below. I'll gladly answer them as much as I can. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and yung doorbell sign. I hope to see you again soon. Talaga na the next video will be about Facebook marketing. I'll see you in the next video.